Hello everyone, this is Sonali Paikrai, PGT Chemistry from OAB Hatioto. Today we'll start the second chapter of Class 12 Chemistry, that is Solutions. So before we'll start the chapter, let's discuss the concepts of this chapter. So these are the concepts of this chapter. First one is introduction. In introduction part, we'll discuss about the components of the solution, that is solute and solvent. Next, types of solution on the basis of the phase of solvent. Next, we'll discuss about the concentration terms. We have already discussed about the concentration terms in class 11 chemistry. Next is solubility. So in solubility part, we'll study about the solubility of the solid in liquid and solubility of gases in liquid. Next is vapor pressure. So in vapor pressure part, we'll study about the Raoult's law. Next is colligative property. So in there we will study about the four different colligative properties. First one is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Second is elevation in boiling point. And third is depression in freezing point. And last colligative properties is osmosis and osmotic pressure. And last concept of this chapter is Venter factor. So let's go to the introduction of this chapter.
So what is solution? So solution is a homogeneous mixture which is consist of two or more substances. So it is defined as, or it is a homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture consists of two or more substances. Consists of two or more substances. The substances forming the solution are known as components of the solution. So the substances forming solution is known as components of the solution are known as components of the solution. So on the basis of the components of the solution, a solution of two components is known as binary solution. So on the basis of components of solution, so solution of two components, is known as binary solution. So binary solution is consist of two components. One is solute, another one is solvent. So solution solution is consist of two components. One is solute, another one is solvent. So what is solute? The substance which is present in smaller quantity is called solute. The substance which is present in smaller quantity is called solute, and the substance which is present in larger quantity is called solvent. Larger quantity is called solvent. So here the phase of the solvent determine the phase of the solution. So here phase of solvent determines the phase of solution. If the solvent is in liquid phase, then the solution will be in liquid phase. If the solution is in solid phase, then the solution will be in solid phase. So for example, 50% ethanol. Suppose we take 20% ethanol solution. Suppose we take 20% of ethanol solution. So here 20% of ethanol solution means here 20% is solute and 80%, 20% solute means ethanol and 80% is solvent, that is water. If we take 50% of ethanol, that means 50% of ethanol and 50% water. So on the basis of the phase of the solvent, the solution can be classified into following types. So types of solution. Here solute, then the solvent, next is example. If both the solute and solvent are gases, then the solution is called gaseous solution. For example, mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. If solute is liquid and solvent is gas, then the solution is called gaseous solution. So for example, mixture of chloroform and nitrogen. When solute is solid and solvent is gas, then the solution is called gaseous solution. For example, mixture of camphor and nitrogen. When solute is gas and solvent is liquid, then the solution is called liquid solution. Liquid solution. For example, mixture of oxygen and water. Where solute is liquid and solvent is also liquid, then the solution is called liquid solution. For example, mixture of ethanol and water. Where solute is solid and solvent is liquid, then the solution is called liquid solution. For example, mixture of sucrose and water. Next, when solute is gas and solvent is solid, then the solution is called solid solution. For example, mixture of hydrogen and palladium. Where solute is liquid and solvent is solid, then the solution is called solid solution. Here amalgam of mercury and sodium. Next, when solute is solid and solvent is also solid, then the solution is called solid solution. Here example is alum. When solvent is water, then the solution is called aqueous solution. Then the solution is called aqueous solution. If not, then the solution is called non-aqueous solution. If not, then the solution is called non-aqueous solution. So,
What we have discussed in this video? So we have discussed what is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The solution of two components is called binary solution. The two components are solute and solvent. Solute, which is present in smaller quantity in the solution, and which is present in largest quantity is called solvent. The solutions are classified into three types: solid, liquid and gaseous solution on the basis of the phase of the solvent. If the solvent is in liquid phase, then the solution is called liquid solution. If the solvent is in gaseous phase, then the solution is called gaseous solution.